Hi, I'm Henna from Greenbubble, and in this video, we're going to be discussing more about features in live chat option. How can we send different kinds of messages to our customers, customized messages and reminders, and different features which are really important for your business. If you're operating your business from Greenbubble, make sure to watch this video till the very end, as this video includes everything which is important. So here we are at the shared inbox section. As you can see over here, we have 3 contacts. So let's see for my contact only, Hannah. So as you can see, I have already sent a template message to myself, and at the chat actions section, you can see different things you need to like enable or maybe disable. So as you can see that bot reply is on, AI reply is on. So as we go down there, we can see that in the subscriber manager management option, here are 2 labels assigned to this chat so that we can like get an idea of how this contact, like they've asked us genes test and different things, like it depends upon the campaigns you have already made. So we can also use this filter option where we can filter the subscribers according to the labels. Like if we want to select a label, we can select for example genes, like what all subscribers have this as a label. So as we can see that so only one subscriber has been is visible here. We if we select different things, for example subscriber with recent replies, we can write a reply which subscriber replied. We can also select a sequence and different variables, for example test. For test also there is only one subscriber. So I hope the filter section is clear now. Let's move to other features. So as you can see, we can write a message sequence and assign a custom variable. For example, intro. If I assign this variable, then easily a custom variable can be set. I will select this contact and I will send the template. Here are the options we get. We go to message template option and select any of the template. And we need to write a location. I will just write a random location, for example 45 ABC, etc. And we'll send this template. This template has been sent, as you can see over here. One more thing, if I write a message, for example, firstly I need to reply to this so that I can send general messages. I will reply as hi. As you can see, a hi message have been received, so I will write hi, how are you, how are you, anything you need. So as you can see, this message is not that much professional. To make it professional, we have a tool over here which is the star. It will rewrite the message with the use of AI. So I will just click it, and as you can see, it wrote the message in more formal way. For example, hello, I'm here to help, how can I assist you today? So this is the way of like sending helpful sending engaging messages to your customer and using all the features in the live chat. So as you can see, more features as I go down to this section. We can also add notes for ourselves to like as a reminder. We can also manage the subscriber. We can also delete the subscribers. So here are the subscriber that has been added. But what if we need to add more subscribers? To add more subscribers, this is the feature which is used. We need to go on add WhatsApp subscriber, and we can select like a chatbot and name and phone number. This is how we add or create WhatsApp subscribers in Greenbubble. And another thing, we can also assign an agent to this. For example, many teams works in a business, so we can also assign different agents to a customer so that it can be helpful for them to get to the motive they're asking for and get the products or get the service they're asking for. So for now, we're having only one agent, which is admin. So we can add different agents, for example, reception or like product delivery or costs. This is just an example. We have another, like, we can have different types of agents in different companies. We also have this AI section where we can ask questions about the customer. For example, ask me anything about as we can read over here, ask me anything about this customer or get help with your support us. So I will just write what this customer asks for the most. Then the AI will reply according to the chat history. They most frequently ask for catalogs, next steps, as I made a catalog video, so I sent a message regarding to catalog. So they mostly frequently ask for catalogs, next steps, share the relevant catalogs, offer a link or attach PDFs, and ask if they prefer men's or women's catalog. So this is what I have asked to the team. So this is what I have asked in the chat previously.